Now, the Reggae Boyz have been placed in Pot 2 for the 2021 CONCACAF Gold Cup draw, which is set for September 28. It means Jamaica will face one of either the USA, Mexico, Costa Rica or Honduras in the group stages of the competition, as those four teams are in Pot 1. Pot 3 comprises Martinique, Curacao, Grenada and newcomers Suriname. Pot 4 has the invited team Qatar alongside three qualifiers. The pot seedings were made based on the August edition of the CONCACAF Rankings Index, which has Jamaica 5th and Honduras 4th. The 2021 edition of the Gold Cup is set for July 10 to August 1 next year. Now, Jamaica, they were eliminated at the semi-final stage of the last Gold Cup in 2019. And Jamaica remains at number 48 in the September edition of the FIFA World Rankings. The number 1 ranked Caribbean team also stayed at number 4 in CONCACAF, behind leaders Mexico, who are number 11 in the world. The United States are second in the region, while Costa Rica are third. Honduras, El Salvador, Canada, Curacao, Panama and Haiti round out the top 10 in CONCACAF. The top 10 ranked teams in the world are Belgium, France, Brazil, England, Portugal, Uruguay, Spain, Croatia, Argentina and Colombia.